Once your account has been created, you will need to update your Equipment Manager. The Equipment Manager is a tool that helps you manage your testing equipment information and calibration dates. To update your Equipment Manager, select the Account button. Select the Equipment Manager tab. Input your equipment details and calibration dates. The information you enter here will automatically populate into the ENV20, MCH23, MCH24, and MCH25 documents as you complete them, saving data, entry time, and helping you complete jobs faster. Let's go back to your Accounts page. Another feature raters need to know about is signature authorization. Signature authorization allows a rater to request authorization from a contractor to sign CF2R documents on their behalf to help expedite their documents. Select Request New Authorization. Then, search for and select the individual you would like to request signature authorization from, then click Request. The individual will receive notification that you have requested signature authorization on their behalf. To see a list of users that have granted your signature authorization, select Users I Can Sign For. The primary user on the account must also update the billing information. The primary user can access the company icon at the top right of the screen. Select the company icon to access the Business Account page. On the Business Account page, primary users can view their account balance and payment type. In the Billing Information section, users can select to make a payment, download statements, or update their settings. To add a payment type to your account, select Settings. From here, you'll be able to add a payment card or bank account, as well as a primary email to receive invoices. Raters can also choose to make a payment and preload their account with a balance. As you complete documents, you'll automatically deduct the cost of those documents from your prepaid account balance. You'll receive a notification once your account reaches a minimum threshold of $100. That's it! Your CHEERS Registry account is now fully set up. Scroll down and click the blue Continue button below this video to continue with the tutorial.